This secret weird-looking puree is Sea Buckthorn.
Salma Hayek just turned 58 years old. Yes, you read that correctly, 58! But if you've seen any of her recent Instagram posts, you'd be forgiven for thinking she's been secretly sipping from the fountain of youth. While the rest of us mere mortals are trying to remember where we left our reading glasses, or wondering if our knee has always made that sound. Salma's out here looking like she's on vacation from the early 2000s. So what is her secret? Salma Hayek turned 58 on September 2nd, 2024, and celebrated the occasion like any timeless goddess would, by posting a picture of herself looking, well, flawless. The internet collectively gasped, shook their heads, and double-checked her Wikipedia page to make sure this was not a typo. From her breakthrough role in Desperado to her Oscar-nominated performance in Frida, Salma has had a career that spans decades, but somehow her face seems to have skipped a few. In fact, in Eternals, where she plays a character who's literally immortal, the casting felt a little too on the nose. But aside from her acting chops and charm, the real question we're all dying to know is, how does she keep looking so ageless? Well, I'll tell you. Spoiler, it's not just good genes and sunscreen, although, let's be real, both probably help a ton. Turns out, Salma has a little health secret that's been keeping her skin looking like it just walked off a red carpet in 1999. While the rest of us guzzle coffee and energy drinks to keep functioning, Salma's been sipping on something much more wholesome. It's called Sea Buckthorn juice. And no, it's not a Harry Potter potion, though it probably should be. By the way, I have compiled all of Salma's anti-aging tips in detail in another video. If you haven't seen this one yet, make sure you watch it. You can find the link in the description below. This video here is mainly about the ingredient list and preparation of her magic juice. Sea Buckthorn is a small orange berry that packs a huge punch when it comes to health benefits. High in antioxidants, vitamin C and E, and essential fatty acids, it's like nature's version of a beauty serum, except you drink it. So if you've been hoping to turn back time like Salma, you might want to add this magic juice to your diet. Plus, it's ridiculously simple to make at home. Here's the recipe for Salma's age-defying potion. 1. Juice the orange. Grab that juicy orange and get squeezing. If you're fancy and have a juicer, congrats.
So you do your regular orange juice. I'm lazy, so I'm just gonna put it in the juicer because I don't want to be squeezing one by one. So you do the oranges. We know they are such a great source of vitamin C.
2. Spice things up. Toss in that turmeric and don't forget the black pepper.
But then we're gonna put the turmeric, okay? Which we know it's antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. And you make your orange juice.
The black pepper helps your body absorb turmeric's goodness.
For your body to absorb faster all the benefits of the turmeric, you put a little bit of black pepper.
3. Mix in the sea buckthorn. Add your sea buckthorn berries or juice into the mix. Warning, this stuff is potent, so brace yourself. Look out for good quality sea buckthorn juice if you don't have sea buckthorn berries. You will also find a link to good organic sea buckthorn juice in the video description.
You know, the fatty things that are good for your skin, for your hair, for your nails, for everything. And it also happens to have like 15 times the amount of vitamin C that oranges have.
4. Optional sweetness. Stir in a little honey if you need to cut through the tanginess. After all, there's only one Salma Hayek, and she can handle more tartness than most of us. 5. Sip and marvel. Drink this elixir, channel your inner Salma, and wait for the compliments to roll in.
So you just add a little beauty into your morning. It doesn't have collagen, but it helps your body produce more collagen.
While we'd love to think that sea buckthorn juice alone is the secret to Salma's youthful glow, it's only part of the puzzle. Salma is all about self-care and wellness, but not in a wake up at 5 a.m. and meditate for 6 hours kind of way. No, she's refreshingly honest about embracing balance. She's a fan of natural beauty and has even said she doesn't wash her face in the morning. What? Yeah, she claims it keeps the natural oils intact. One more thing we can't overlook is Salma's sense of humor. Seriously, nothing keeps you young like laughter, and Salma is hilarious. Whether she's cracking jokes on the red carpet or poking fun at herself in interviews, her ability to not take herself too seriously might just be the ultimate anti-aging hack. That's the real magic. So, to all of us out here staring at Salma's Instagram photos in awe, trying to figure out how she defies the laws of nature, we now have a bit of insight. It's a little bit of healthy juice, a lot of joy, and maybe a deal with the universe. Whatever it is, it's working. Don't forget to subscribe and to like the video, because who doesn't want more of this youthful energy and questionable life advice in their feed? See you in the next video.